Hey guys, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a prank on Penny. I asked on my Instagram if I for prank him or do a story time. I wanna say prank. Most I wanna say prank, so I'm gonna prank him right now independent way I come over me yard. So when him come, I'm gonna prank him. The thing is I don't know what kind of prank I'm gonna do yet, but as soon as I figure out the idea, I'm gonna drop it in for you. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Penny. Penny, this serious over there, you know? In my car.
You want to kiss her?
Mm-hmm. Wow. But this serious with you.
Yeah, yeah, I see.
I feel like we will be more than best friend.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. You see, everybody has said in the comments they would have look cute together and so that was so cute. So, yeah, you're cute. Penny, stop what I can and say you're cute.
Yeah, yeah, I see. I'm not joking, Mick.
I'm serious with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Stop playing with me nose when you made it turn me on.
Do you want to write?
What do you want to write for? Penny, come on.
Come on.
Come on, cook this for you. Penny, I know say you like me. I know so we can be together. Would that be cute?
Yeah, yeah, I see.
No, I'm going to change and come, okay? I'm going to put on something sexy for you. Okay? I'm sitting at you. Penny, Daniel, come, Daniel, come.
Listen on. And what are you supposed to be drinking? By your nose, eh?
Shana. Shana.
Yeah.
Come here, man. Now we have you now. When I smell like man, so how for this, sir? How for this, sir? How for this, sir?
I feel.
Feel me? A large brain is extra small in there. Feel me? I eat that. What we have in there?
I be one. No. Angel, Angel.
Feel me? I eat that. What we have in there? What we have in there? One walk one in here.
Under you. No, this one, come, come. The next one, next one.
Nah.
Come on, next one.
Show me. No. Watch. Woman for the. But Jesus, how would this here? Boy, what you are doing now? Me, just a chill, sir. Just a chill, sir. Yeah? boy, what you are doing now? Eh? How are you? What's your name? Shana, carry up, come. I have a proper solution for the boy.
Which rope?
When the music style go, carry come. I have a proper solution for him.